Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is the first video na magkakaroon ako. I do hope and pray that you please like and subscribe my channel. Also, subscribe on my Facebook account so you'll be updated. Ako nga pala si Teacher Lala here in Mongolia. I'm a Filipino foreign teacher here who teach Mongolian students English. I am based for a specific learning center. Wherein I'm handling English subject, different levels. Meron dito sa Mongolia, level Beehive or level 1, level 2, 3, so on and so forth. So, ang mga na-assign sa akin dito, merong ages from 7 years old up until 11. Meron din akong 12 hanggang 14 and 14. Ang pinaka matanda is around 17 years old. Now, I wanna make sure that I have this vlog para ma-inform yung mga Filipino aspirant teachers, foreign teachers na mag-apply dito sa Mongolia kasi very in demand ang mga teachers dito, especially English subject. Most of the kids here gusto nila talagang matutong mag-English. What I've observed, yung mga adult natin dito sa Mongolia, they're not that kind of fluent yet for English language. That's why pinupush nila yung kanilang mga anak as an early age na mag-aral ng English. So, na-interview ko yung mga students ko that they have this schedule. May pasok sila ng 1 p.m. Some of them, by the way, 1 p.m. starts from 1 p.m. and I believe until 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Alright? Half day. And then there are also batches, like they have schools in the morning. I think it starts around 7 a.m. up until 3 p.m. Maybe yun yung mga private school nila dito sa Mongolia. And then, yung mga students ko na yon, sobrang hands down ako kasi ang sisipag nila talaga. Kasi they could manage their time very well. Nag-aaral sila in the afternoon but they have to attend in the morning para lang mag-aral ng language na to na I know na very important kasi most of them, lalo na sa mga ages 14 to 17, they're planning to pursue their university, or they call it here university courses. Some of it are in English form. So yun, may mga students na gusto rin nilang mag-aral sa university aside from Mongolia. They wanted to travel and study in other places such as Canada, Ireland, Sweden, Switzerland, European countries. So yun yung mga target ng mga students ko, 14 to 17 years old. So as early as now, imagine they have that kind of dream already. Compare nung nag-ask ako doon sa aking mga students way back in the Philippines, I asked them, what are your plans, your goals, and stuff like that. They don't have that kind of mindset yet, no? Siguro dahil ang hawak ko naman doon ay grade 8 students, so hindi pa nila naiisip yun. Alright, so I think that should be all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I am looking forward to have another video for let's talk about anything about Mongolia, okay? Thank you so much. Bye for now. Take care, everyone. Miss ko na ang Pinas.